In this video, I will show you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Open up Facebook, push on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Push on these dots or lines in the upper right corner. Come down, push on, turn on professional mode. These are the benefits you will get when you switch to professional mode. Press Turn On. Then Next. Next again. Choose a default audience. Press Next. Press Confirm. Next. Next again. Then go to Professional Dashboard. And that's how you do it, guys. How to turn on professional mode on Facebook.